Common elements. In this question, we have to give in two array. We have to return common elements which are present in both array, and we have to return answer in sorted order or duplicate may be there in the output list. So the common element is 3, which is in both array. 2 is coming 2 times, so in output it will come 2 times, and that's it. And we have to return all these common elements in this sorted order. So what we will do, we will create dictionary which stores the frequency of all the elements of array 1. 3 is appearing 1 time, 4 is coming 2 times, 2 is coming 2 times. That's it. Now we iterate over second array. For answer, we will create a list name answer. We will check 3. If 3 present in dictionary, then we will check if the value of that 3 is not equals to 0. Then we append this 3 in the answer and decrease its value. Now come to this 2. 2 is present in dictionary and its value is not 0. So we will add 2 in our answer and make its value decrement by 1. Now come here, this is 2. The value of 2 is already present in dictionary and value of 2 is not equals to 0. So we will add 2 in answer and make it 0. Now comes 7. 7 is not in D, so we will not check any condition, and this is our answer. We have to do sort this answer array so that our output become this. Now let's see the code. This is dictionary here. For I in V1, D of I equals to D dot get I comma 0 plus 1. This is syntax to create and to store frequency of all elements in the dictionary. Now iterate over V2. Check if I in D. If D of I is not equals to 0, then only append answer. Now decrement D of I value to by 1 and return sorted answer.